Okay, so there is a black wolf over there eating a bison carcass. We're gonna squeeze. Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday. Yes, today's Sunday. Just got up a little bit ago, making some breakfast now. And it was one hell of a night last night. There were some pretty intense thunderstorms that rolled through. Kept us up for a little bit. And obviously there was that worry of bears and stuff. But we survived, we're up, had some coffee, and we are having some breakfast. And this is smelling way good right now.
Bendy's a great camp cook.
Yeah, she is.
While Robbie was fucking around doing that for an hour last night, I made spaghetti and bruschetta, and then he couldn't figure it out, so then I did it. So basically I'm the camp master.
It's not gonna make the vlog, so.
And I made you this too.
It smells delicious. Then we have Augie over here. Hi, buddy. Oh, look at that nub and go. He's been running around, getting stuck, sniffing things and eating shit and rolling around in it. So, you know, dog stuff. But we're gonna eat breakfast and then we're going back into the park today for a lot longer. We're gonna do a little sunset action maybe in the park. And then we'll come back and have more dinner. And then I think we'll probably end up doing a campfire tonight. We didn't do one last night. Augie! Anyways, we're gonna eat and then head out. Alright, we just finished eating, packing up. It's raining now. Kind of a bummer, but jumping in the car, we're gonna drive over to Yellowstone. It's like 20 minutes from our campsite, so it's not bad, but it's really pretty out here. Okay, so we're like a quarter of the way through the first loop of the park. We saw a bald eagle and a swan and some elk. Now we're at this waterfall, which is sick and pretty good so far. It's really nice out, but just sweet. Next stop, we're at Yellowstone Lake. It's a little windy out, so I'm not gonna take the camera outside and talk to it because the audio will just get blown out. But it's big and it's pretty. I love lakes. So far this Yellowstone trip is sick. I'm stoked at what I'm seeing here. Hopefully I'm getting some cool footage. This is gonna be a highly visual vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Anyways, here's the lake.
Probably about halfway, really.
Right over here.
Somewhere halfway, I think, because we came in over here.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, another pull out. Sorry if this is getting like randomly repetitive. I'm sure I'll cut some stuff out while I'm editing. We're in Hayden Valley now. Some lower circle, lower loop. And there's a big herd of buffalo down this valley. He's got our binoculars out. We're gonna check it out. There's also apparently wolves hang out in this area, so we're gonna come out tonight and hopefully see some wolves. So another stop before lunch. We're at the brink of Upper Falls, which I think is going to be a huge waterfall. It sounds like it. Whoa. That is so sick looking. We're going to go try and find another spot to see it better. Crazy. It's like hard to fathom those kind of things because they're just so big and it's just so much water moving at once. And you like compare it to normal things like a shower. That's like 1 trillion times more water. But it was really cool. I got some cool video. I didn't take any pictures, but hopefully I can grab a few stills from the video. It's hard to tell on little cinematic portions because I make it look like no one's here, but there's so many people here. So many, like busloads. Hopefully the cinematics look like it's just barren landscape. But now we're actually gonna eat lunch, so let's do that. So it's like pit stop central on our Yellowstone trip. But we're at the park where they get the name Yellowstone. And then there's this crazy wall behind us on the road. Oh, God. Augie's being an asshole because we're finally hit a group of bison. We're in between like 3 or 4 herds right now. Stop! There's literally a bison right there.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I am. I'm sticking his dumb little eyes out. Good boy.
The light is so good right now.
Quiet. Quiet.
Okay, so we came out to Lamar Valley, which is where we're at now, to find wolves. And there's a wolf out here somewhere, so. Because everyone's pulled over and they said they saw a wolf. I don't know. Might be it. Oh, that's it right there?
Yeah, right at the butt.
Like right there?
Yeah, literally on the butt. He's sitting down.
Holy hell. You see it?
It's a black wolf. We need to go across the street. Let's go across the street. Let's go across the street.
Someone said there were 6 wolves earlier eating that thing.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Okay, so there is a black wolf over there eating a bison carcass. So we're gonna squeeze across the road here and find this thing because we really want to see it. Man, I wish I had a super zoom lens right now. That would be so useful.
A wolf eating the carcass.
Huh. So we've been here for like probably 10-15 minutes now, just watching this wolf. He's just
Chowing down.
chowing it, going at it. And I really wish I had a zoom lens, because look at all these photographers.
That woman down there with her kids was saying that her husband got up at 4 in the morning to come down here and was just been sitting in the Lamar Valley all day waiting.
That's dedication. So we're just gonna hang out here for another little bit. I want to see if he like moves off. I want to get a shot of him by himself. I think that'd be really cool. Best I can.
Where are his friends?
You know, if anything, I can crop in on the image and zoom in. So this is so cool. This is my first time seeing a wolf in the wild. So cool.
Maggie's seen a wolf in the wild every time she came to Yellowstone. I think that's how I meant to go. Fuck yes.
All right, we saw a wolf and a bear today. Successful day. Sun's going down.
What?
What?
I don't know.
He's talking to us. I don't know what they're saying.
Okay, so I never signed off the vlog last night. We ended up getting home pretty late. It was like a 2-hour drive from where we were back to the campsite. That's how big Yellowstone is. I'm like still having a hard time fathoming that. It's so huge. But it was a super successful day. We saw a freaking wolf
And a bear.
and a bear run across the road. We got to watch a wolf eat a bison. So sick. So we're going to that same spot now. It's about a 2-hour drive. And that'll be in tomorrow's vlog. So keep an eye out for that. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next Yellowstone vlog.